The Cutting Edge, a journey through technology news and innovations in today's modern world. Technology captures the essence of humanity's relentless pursuit for progress and convenience. From advancements in artificial intelligence and renewable energy to the latest in consumer electronics, the landscape of innovation is as diverse as it is rapid. This narrative explores the multifaceted world of technology news and new inventions, providing an in-depth analysis of trends, challenges, and the broader implications of these advancements on our daily lives and society as a whole. Prologue. The age of transformation. The last few decades have seen an exponential growth in technology, marking a significant shift in how humans interact with their environment and each other. The dawn of the information age brought forth a digital revolution. Today, the narrative is shaped by smart devices, interconnected systems, and the omnipresence of the Internet. Emerging technologies are not just tools, they represent a profound change in our understanding of our capabilities and responsibilities. Each new product and innovation carries with it an opportunity for either progress or risk, forcing society to reflect on ethical considerations, sustainability, and the future. Chapter 1. The Rise of Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, stands at the forefront of technological advancements in the 21st century. Shaping industries from healthcare to finance, AI is more than just a technological tool, it is a paradigm shift. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, leading to predictions that can optimize everything from shopping habits to disease outbreaks. Take, for instance, IBM's Watson, a cognitive computing system capable of answering questions posed in natural language. Its use in oncology demonstrates how AI can analyze medical literature and patient records to suggest treatment plans more effectively than human doctors in certain scenarios. Yet, as AI becomes more ubiquitous, concerns surrounding ethics, bias, and job displacement intensify. AI systems often inherit biases present in the data they are trained on, leading to potentially harmful outcomes in areas like hiring and law enforcement. The dialogue surrounding responsible AI development emphasizes transparency and accountability, pressing technologists and ethicists to collaborate in establishing guidelines that govern the creation and deployment of AI technologies. The challenge lies in harnessing the transformative potential of AI while ensuring fairness and justice in its applications. Chapter 2. The Frontier of Renewable Energy. As climate change poses an unprecedented challenge to global ecosystems and economies, the urgency for renewable energy sources is more pronounced than ever. Innovations in solar and wind technologies are at the heart of this revolution. Solar energy's efficiency has improved significantly, with companies like First Solar developing thin-film photovoltaic technology that reduces silicon waste and costs significantly. Wind energy also sees advancements, such as larger turbines that harvest wind more effectively and offshore wind farms that tap into higher-speed winds. The role of government policies in promoting renewable energy cannot be understated. Incentives for transitioning to green technologies have affected not just corporate strategies but also societal behaviors. Nations around the world are investing in greener infrastructure, leading to a cultural shift towards sustainability. However, challenges remain. The intermittency of renewable energy sources raises questions about reliability and storage solutions. Innovative approaches, including battery storage technology and smart grids, are evolving to address these concerns, heralding a future where renewable energy can stand on par with fossil fuels. Chapter 3. The Internet of Things, IoT. The term Internet of Things, IoT, denotes a network of connected devices that communicate and exchange data. This interconnected ecosystem extends beyond conventional tech devices, including everyday household objects. Smart home technology epitomizes this trend, with devices such as thermostats, lights, and even refrigerators now equipped to enhance energy efficiency and convenience. Companies like Nest and Philips Hue have set benchmarks in user interfaces, simplicity, and functionality, allowing consumers to control their environments entirely through applications and voice commands. However, the rapid adoption of IoT devices raises significant cybersecurity concerns. The more devices that are connected, the larger the potential attack surface for cybercriminals. Businesses and consumers alike must grapple with developing secure protocols to protect their data. Furthermore, the ethical implications of constant surveillance and data collection generate debates about privacy rights in the digital age. Society stands at a crossroads where leveraging IoT technology must be balanced with stringent security standards. Chapter 4: Telehealth Transformation. The COVID-19 pandemic acted as a catalyst for telehealth's expansion, pushing the boundaries of how medical care can be accessed. Remote consultations surged as healthcare facilities sought methods to deliver services without compromising patient safety. Technologies such as video conferencing and mobile health applications evolved rapidly to address these needs. Patients now enjoy greater access to specialists, especially in rural areas where medical resources may be limited. Despite its benefits, telehealth faces hurdles related to technology access, especially for underserved communities. Issues of equity emerge as not everyone has equal access to the internet or devices capable of supporting telehealth services. Furthermore, reimbursement policies must adjust to this evolving landscape, ensuring that healthcare providers are compensated fairly for remote consultations. The long-term viability of telehealth hinges on how the medical and technological communities adapt to these ongoing challenges, promoting a model that remains accessible and effective. Chapter 5: The Future of Work and Automation. The workplace is undergoing transformation propelled by automation and AI engineering. The fourth industrial revolution is characterized by the integration of digital technology into all aspects of how businesses operate. Robots and AI applications are increasingly taking on tasks ranging from simple data entry to complex decision-making processes. Companies like Amazon have leveraged robotics in their warehouses to enhance efficiency, raising questions about the future of labor needs. Yet, the rise of automation also stirs anxiety about job displacement. While some roles become obsolete, others emerge that demand new skill sets. The challenge lies in upskilling the workforce to adapt to these changes. Educational institutions and corporate training programs are evolving to meet these demands, focusing on both technical skills and soft skills like adaptability and critical thinking. Achieving a labor ecosystem that can thrive in this automated future is critical for maintaining economic stability. Chapter 6: Advances in Biotechnology. Biotechnology stands on the cutting edge of health science with significant advances in genomics, genetic engineering, and synthetic biology. Techniques such as CRISPR editing allow for precise modifications to DNA, opening doors to revolutionary treatments for genetic disorders. Biopharmaceutical companies are utilizing these technologies to create personalized medicine tailored to individual genetic profiles, promising improved efficacy and minimal side effects. However, the ethical implications of genetic engineering remain contentious. The potential for designer babies raises questions about the limits of human intervention in natural processes. Societal discussions increasingly focus on responsible applications of biotechnological advances, striving to end the balance between innovation and ethical oversight. The future of biotechnology thrives not only on scientific achievements but also on robust dialogue surrounding the moral challenges that accompany these breakthroughs. Chapter 7: The Evolution of Consumer Electronics. The consumer electronics market is a dynamic landscape where innovation drives competition and shapes user experiences. The launch of the latest smartphone models has transformed expectations regarding performance, design, and functionality. Companies like Apple and Samsung frequently raise the bar, incorporating cutting-edge technologies such as advanced camera systems, augmented reality capabilities, and seamless ecosystem integration. Yet, this constant drive for innovation creates a cycle of consumerism that demands attention. The environmental impact of e-waste becomes an urgent issue as devices are discarded at an unprecedented rate. Sustainable practices in manufacturing and recycling must evolve to address this growing concern. Leading companies are now exploring eco-friendly materials and modular designs that allow for easier repairs and upgrades, aligning consumer desires with environmental stewardship. Chapter 8: The Impact of 5G Technology. As communication technologies evolve, the rollout of 5G networks represents a monumental leap forward. Promising significantly faster data transfer speeds and lower latency, 5G enables real-time communication that could revolutionize everything from smart cities to autonomous vehicles. The implications for industries such as entertainment, healthcare, and logistics are profound, paving the way for innovations that were previously deemed impractical. However, the deployment of 5G technology is not without its challenges. Infrastructure requirements lead to substantial investments, and regulatory hurdles can slow progress. Moreover, societal concerns over privacy and health implications arise from the dense network of antennas required for 5G connectivity. As this technology gains traction, a collective discussion on balancing rapid technological advancement with thorough scrutiny of its implications is essential. Chapter 9: Space Exploration Revisited. Space exploration is embroiled in a renaissance, marked by ambitious projects driven by both governmental agencies and private companies. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by the mid-2020s, while companies like SpaceX are building commercial pathways to Mars and beyond. The implications of these efforts extend beyond scientific knowledge. They could revive industries, stimulate economies, and inspire a new generation of scientists and engineers. The privatization of space travel also raises ethical questions about the commercialization of outer space. Issues of space debris and territorial claims become increasingly pertinent as various entities vie for dominance beyond Earth. The race to explore space is not merely a technical challenge. It demands humanity to grapple with questions about stewardship and long-term sustainability beyond the confines of our planet. Chapter 10: The Integration of Ethics in Technology Design. As technologies become deeply interwoven with daily life, integrating ethical considerations into the design process emerges as a pressing necessity. From AI to IoT, designers and engineers are called to consider the social implications of their creations. The responsible innovation movement advocates for proactively addressing potential consequences during the design phase, not just reacting to them post facto. Educational programs that cultivate a culture of ethical design are crucial. From engineering ethics to humane design principles, instilling values that prioritize societal welfare continues the trajectory of technology. Tech companies are beginning to recognize the impact of corporate culture on innovation, incorporating ethical frameworks into their strategic planning. The alignment of technological advancement with the greater good offers promise as society navigates the complexities of the digital age. Chapter 11: Conclusion. a collaborative future. As we look towards the horizon of technological innovation, themes of collaboration emerge as pivotal for future advancements. The cross-pollination of ideas between disciplines, from engineers to ethicists to designers, can catalyze solutions to the challenges that loom ahead. The narrative of technology is not solely about individual achievements, it's about collective endeavors aimed at enriching human experience while safeguarding societal values. The journey through technology news and new inventions reveals a tapestry woven with promise, challenge, and responsibility. By maintaining an ongoing conversation about the implications of these advancements, society can steer the trajectory of innovation towards a future that reaches our highest aspirations. Emphasizing not just what technology can do, but what it should do, will guide us into the next chapter of human progress. Epilogue, a call to action. The role of every stakeholder, individuals, companies, and governments, is crucial as we stewards of innovation. Engaging in discussions around technological advancements, advocating for responsible practices, and committing to continuous learning will empower societies to adapt and thrive in the face of rapid change. The journey is far from niched, it is evolving, beckoning each of us to participate actively in shaping a future grounded in ethical and sustainable innovation. In this new era of technology, the potential to envision a better world lies squarely in our hands.